Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add and play with friends in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now it's really simple, alright? So firstly what you're going to do is hit on play, and remember you can be in the beta as well. You do not have to be in the normal version. You can play with your friends who are in the beta version of the game as well. And now what we're going to do is head into friends, and then you can see add friend. Go ahead and click on that, and now you need to enter your friend's Xbox gamer tag. Now this is really important. You guys can see, so it's going to show, once I search for it, it's going to show add friend, and then what I can do is go ahead and click on add friend, and voila. So it's going to take some time, and now your friends, do not worry about this, it's just a bug. And now I can just go ahead and cross it. And now to play with your friends, so normally if your friend is already in a world, all right, so if they're already in a world, it's going to show over here joinable friends, and then you can go ahead and join the world with no problem whatsoever. And also, so a lot of people forget this, but when you're creating a world, all right, so what you need to do is create new world, and then what you need to do is hit on multiplayer, and then you need to enable multiplayer game. Your multiplayer game will not be on, and you can change your world type to invite only, friends only, and friends of friends. So basically all of your friends can join if you put friends only, and invite only means you have to invite the person and then only they can join, and friends of friends means the person who you're friends with, even their friends can join. So I'm going to show you with invite only. If you want a more private world, then I would suggest that you set it to invite only, because that's much way more safer. And then once you do that, you'll get an option over here, but that's only in the beta, that's only in the normal version, like I said. And when you put it to invite only, basically you will not have joinable friends over here. You won't be able to see them unless they invite you. And here guys, so this is basically how you add and play with friends in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If you found this video useful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with more people who may find this video useful as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now see ya.